Welcome to Bremen, one of Germany's oldest and most charming cities. Today, we're taking you through the heart of this historic city, where medieval streets meet modern life. From the lively city center to stunning architecture, Bremen is a place full of culture, stories, and hidden gems. Notice the iconic old churches reflecting Bremen's deep history and traditions as part of the famous Hanseatic League, once a powerful trading hub. What makes Bremen truly unique is how history and daily life blend together, where trains run smoothly through vibrant streets and local cafes. This walking tour captures the real essence of Bremen: calm, beautiful, and full of character. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this immersive city experience with us. This is Travelupix.
is made of gold. Everything that I was told would make me happy, make me whole. This cage is made of gold. Breaking free, breaking free. But these chains look good on me. Breaking free, breaking free. What they think if they could see? Listen up, let me break it down for you. Let me break it down for you. Every wing got me trapped in a loop. Designer brands in the trending spots. Living life through these photo ops. Validation from strangers' eyes. Building prisons with my own lies. Started small, now I'm living large. But success became my own sabotage. Yeah, I did what they said I should. Check every box in the neighborhood. Now I'm standing at the top alone. In my cage that I call home. Remember when we used to dream so small? Just me and you against it all. Before I traded simple days for this perfect broke my hold. It's me and you against it all. Before I traded simple days for this perfect program maze. This cage is made of gold. Everything that I was told would make me happy, make me whole. This cage is made of gold, breaking free, breaking free. But these chains look good on me. Breaking free, breaking free. Watch me shatter all you see.